over here. Welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you are having a fabulous day. So today I decided to come on here and make a video for you guys on how I achieve my natural hairstyles. Actually, I've only been rocking one hairstyle that I've kind of have mastered it. So I wanted to show you guys because you've been asking me a lot of questions how I achieved this hairstyle. It was just not too long ago, probably last month, I started wearing my natural hair, which has been amazing, and I'm absolutely overwhelmed with all your love and support by just showing my hair, and thank you so much for the feedback. And so today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved that hairstyle. I'm still learning about my hair. I'm still learning different hairstyles because a girl only has one hairstyle, so I need to step up my game and rock this fro that I have. Before we get started, I wanted to kind of actually showcase some of the pieces from my friend Nasari. She owns African Print Takeover. So I got these earrings from her store. I also got my hair cap from her store, which is absolutely amazing because it's not too tight. It has the elastic band around it, which is fantastic. And then inside the cap, it's silk. So it's excellent for like wrapping your hair, going to bed, and you don't have to worry about your hair, the cap falling off, and you can still have your edges laid. So that's like really important for us girls over here, with our hair. And I'm wearing her crop top. Is also from her store, and it comes with detachable sleeves. And I'm also wearing her bracelet from her store. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my hair cap. So this is how actually my hair cap looks like inside. You see the silk? It's absolutely amazing, and she has different types of hair caps in different colors and African prints, and it's absolutely amazing. Totally check her out. Like, you see the elastic band? Do you see that? How stretchy it is? So I feel like it can fit any type of like hair and type of head. I have a big head, and this is like amazing, and I absolutely love it. So what I did, I washed my hair. I link everything that I use. I use nothing but Shea moisturizer products. So I will go ahead and link everything that I use below, so you can go ahead and just shop away and check it out yourself. I washed my hair, I deep conditioned it, shampooed and all that. Then I also moisturized it. Then I just did a little bit of blow dried my hair. I didn't blow dry my hair all the way. I try to avoid heat. Ever since I went natural, I've never straightened my hair. I used to only like blow dry my hair twice a year. I stayed away from any heat, and I'm trying to stay that way. But I did go ahead and blow dry my hair just a little bit, but not all the way through. And after that, I went and put my braid in my hair, not my braid. I went and put my hair in little small braids. They're not small, like massive, just to kind of make them look a little bit more, decent. So I just went ahead and just put my hair in braids, and I just slept on it and whatnot. And I'm gonna go ahead and I do my braids. I always put a little bit of oil on my hand when I'm doing my braids because I don't want my hair to be so frizzy. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Jamaican black castor oil by SheaMoisture. I absolutely love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my hand. So I just gotta like wash it all over my hands so my hands are not dry when I'm taking off my little braids. Sometimes I just go ahead and use my fingers to take them my braids down. And if I'm struggling a little bit, I'll just use my big combs that I have. I have this one, and I have this like pick comb. Kind of need to clean a little bit, but it's a lot. Yeah, that's what I use, and I'm gonna go just unbraid my little braids. done taking down my braids, and this is how my hair looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more of my my Jamaican black castor oil, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my hair. Just go like this. And I'm gonna go like a little bit by sections, and I'm gonna just like separate it a little bit away so I can just make my hair more bigger. Whatnot. And I still have the oil on my hand, so my hair won't be so frizzy. Just kind of separating it by the sections. This is my go-to hairstyle. Like seriously, it's like had been helping me so much and saving so much time, and I absolutely love it. So after that, I'm gonna go with my big comb, and I think I'll part it this way today, or I don't know, maybe this way, or that way. I don't know. So I'm gonna go with my big comb, and I'm gonna comb my hair, but I'm not gonna comb my hair all the way through. Yes, because I still want to kind of keep the little bit of the curly pattern to it for my braids. So I'm not gonna comb my hair all the way through. So yeah, here we go. I really avoid using edge control so to not make my edges like look so crazy, because since I'm not using edge control and whatnot, so I'm just gonna go like this and pull like the front of my hair pull it front like forward. Yeah, more forward. Can I go ahead and just comb my hair? Like you have to like keep combing, not all the way through, you have to just keep on combing it so you can make it more puffier and bring it out more to the front. Go in different sections, and yeah, just the repetition of it. So when you're done combing your hair, but not combing it all the way through, this is how it looks like. So I didn't tease it much, you know, comb it much, because I didn't want to make it that much big, but this is how I want it to look like for today. It's all, you know, it depends on what you want, you know, your fro to look like. This is my side profile to the left side, and this is my side profile to the right, and then this is the back. And that's how I achieve my go-to hairstyle. It's nothing fancy, edge control involved, no hair gel involved, there's no like hair ties or anything involved, none of that. It's just braiding your hair in different sections. You can make your braids bigger, you can make them small, medium size, or even extra small. Depends on what you want to do with your hair, and you just the next day, just unbraid it and comb it. Don't comb it all the way through, and give it a little tease to your head, and you know, your hair will come out like this. I love it. This is my go-to hairstyle. If you guys enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, you know, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Have a great day.